In the vibrant and royal city of Hyderabad, where beauty meets precision, FMS Dental Center stands as the epitome of excellence in cosmetic dentistry. Recognized as the best cosmetic dental clinic in India, FMS Dental combines artistry, technology, and personalized care to create smiles that inspire confidence. Our team of cosmetic dental specialists, led by legendary experts like Dr. PP and his dynamic team, creates bespoke aesthetic solutions from smile and face makeovers, ensuring everyone's smile reflects individuality and perfection. A plethora of cosmetic dental procedures, including digital smile designing, are routinely performed in FMS dental centers at Hyderabad and Kochi. The in-house CAD/CAM dental lab ensures fabrication of flawless aesthetic restorations, like dental veneers, EMAX crowns, delivering precision and aesthetics with unmatched efficiency